Okay, so this is going to be a 5-minute drum lesson video on a rudiment that kind of stumbled upon, and there may be another name for it, but I've never heard anybody talk about this rudiment. It's closely related to the Swiss Army triplet. So Swiss Army triplet is this guy. That's if you do it right-handed. So it starts with a flam, right-hand tap, left, and then you do it again. Flam right, right, left. Or right flam, right, left. Right flam, right, left. If you did it left-handed, left flam, left, right. Left flam, left, right. Left flam, left, right. Left flam, left, right. So if you played this a little quicker, this is what it would sound like. But what I'm actually going to talk to you about is what I call an inverted Swiss Army triplet. And so instead of the flam being the beginning part, you're still going to do the accent, but it's going to be by itself, not as a flam, and then the second note's going to be the flam with the left hand, and then the left hand gets the tap. So right hand accent, left hand flam, left note. Now, I don't have a drum set with me at the moment, but this is a lot of fun to play around the drum set, so I'll do another video sometime to discuss that, but I just wanted to introduce a rudiment today. So right hand accent, left hand flam, left hand tap. If you did it left-handed, it would be a left hand accent, right hand flam, right hand tap. Just kind of a fun rudiment. I really like playing it on drum set. I don't really play it on snare drum a whole lot. But that's the rudiment there. So if you dig this and other things like it, visit me at my website, tobinwagstaff.com, or youtube.com/tobinwagstaffmusic, or facebook.com/tobinwagstaffmusic. Thanks for watching.